Welcome to the future of hospital and day clinic management. A paperless, streamlined solution that enhances efficiency, accuracy, and patient care. From pre-admission to discharge, GoodX ensures a seamless experience for hospitals, medical practitioners, and patients. Let me show you how. The patient journey begins with a referral. With Grand Exchange, surgeons and staff outside the GoodX network can access referral details, assign responsibilities, and make bookings securely in one digital hub. With GoodX, once a theatre list is created, it is automatically sent to the surgical team via Grand Exchange. This ensures that everybody is informed and aligned. Admission details are completed digitally, reducing paperwork and improving accuracy. Patients receive automated notifications via SMS or email, prompting them to complete pre-admission forms, consent documents, or questionnaires, conveniently from the comfort of their own home. Now, at the hospital, a case is opened and the patient is pre-admitted. All the documents are finalized days before the procedure, preventing any last-minute complications. Authorization requests, updates, and responses are all displayed directly on the system. This digital workflow ensures vital details like allergies, medical history, and consent are accurately recorded before the procedure. On the day of surgery, the patient confirms their arrival at the kiosk or reception counter. When that happens, the GoodX diary is updated accordingly, notifying the entire hospital team of the patient's arrival. To ensure patient safety, surgical pause protocols are completed digitally. No misplaced forms, just secure, real-time access to all your documents. During surgery, nurses or surgeons can record clinical or surgical notes in real time. This enables them to capture intraoperative details such as findings, complications, or procedural steps. These recordings are instantly saved to the patient's digital file, improving clinical accuracy and reducing post-operative admin. The next step is invoicing the patient case. This is where procedures and stock items can be billed using various input methods like barcode scanning, manual billing, or if preferred, billing macros. This streamlines the billing process and helps prevent claim rejections. By creating macros, what we're essentially doing is creating pre-populated lists for each and every specific procedure. Once a procedure is completed and all billing information has been processed, the hospital can facilitate a smooth discharge process without any administrative delays. Submitting the patient case electronically via EDI enables timely claim processing. This is followed by system-generated age analysis, which supports effective fund collection and enhances cash flow. What's more, GoodX also offers fully integrated stock management, which includes creditor management, ERA processing, comprehensive case financial and stock reporting, 24-hour GoodX support, plus a dedicated support team available during office hours. The GoodX cloud environment ensures that all your data is securely backed up and easily accessible in case of any unforeseen disaster. Best of all, while the system is fully digital, it remains flexible, so you can always print out your documents if needed. In essence, GoodX adapts to your unique workflow, ensuring the best practice at your hospital is used, whatever your workflow process looks like. So, why join GoodX's paperless hospital workflow? How would you like improved cash flow and reduced claim rejections? Data integrity and seamless communication. Faster, more efficient patient administrations. Not to mention automated processes that reduce human error. And of course, easy access to all your records wherever you are. Ready to transform your hospital workflow? Contact our team today and experience the future of hospital and day clinic management, powered by GoodX.